Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this EX55 Thermacell. In the past we've used these handheld Thermacells which use the butane torches, which uses the butane and these little blue pads that you can get for refills. These work really good, except for I don't like the fact that there's a slight flame to heat everything. And the cost of the refills and cartridges are kind of expensive. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'll show you how to set this up and how it works, and then we'll go ahead and give it a test and see how well it works. So let's get started. All right, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. You have your charging cable, comes with one 12-hour refill, a little lanyard, your instruction manual. Inside you're going to see a registration so you can extend your warranty coverage to 3 years. And then you have your EX55 Thermacell. We're out at our local campground today, and it rained last night, so the mosquitoes are pretty thick today. So this is going to be a good test here and see how well it works. These work really well, but like I said earlier, it uses the butane cartridges and the blue refill pads. So we're going to give this a test. This is the EX55, and to start off, you want to fully charge it by removing this little tab here, and you can use your supplied charging cable, and it takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. Once you have it fully charged, you need to press these two buttons on each side in, and that'll release the cover. Remove your blue tab here. This has a heating element inside, and this uses a rechargeable battery. Once you have your unit open, take your refill cartridge out of the bag, remove the top portion, and there's a wick inside, which will sit inside this heating element, and while that heats up, it activates the ingredients inside, and it gives you a 20-foot radius to keep the bugs away. As you can see, a mosquito right here. So we're going to drop that inside. We'll turn it on. Place your cover back over the top. Press down until you hear it click into place. To turn the unit on, press this button. At first it'll show 3 lights at the bottom. That means it's fully charged. And then you're going to see a series of flashing lights around the side. And those lights are telling you that this unit is now warming up and it's starting to activate the cartridge inside. So we'll get this placed around our campsite and we'll give it a test, and we'll check back in a little bit. Now that you see all 4 of the LED lights lit up, you know that the Thermacell is heated up and is activating. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little smoke that comes out of here, and you can feel a little bit of heat coming out, but it's not hot to the touch, just a little warm. We had this set up for about 2 hours. It took about 20 minutes, and we started to see the mosquitoes start to diminish. There were still a couple around, but overall, I think it worked pretty well. You're gonna notice if there's a lot of breeze around, you're gonna need this a little bit closer to the area where you're sitting. It does state that it has a 20-foot zone, which I'd say it's probably more like 15 foot realistically, and maybe even 5 to 10 feet if you do have a breeze. What I like about this is the fact that you can clip your lanyard on here And then you can hang it from your backpack, from your belt, or whatever else you may want to carry it from, your bike, your hiking pack, whatever. You can take this with you and you don't have to worry about the flame inside because this is just battery operated heating elements inside. So it's a lot safer. It states that it has a 5.5 hour battery charge to it. And I would say we're probably getting about 5 to 5.5 hours on a full charge. And then it'll take roughly 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it back up. This Thermacell does come with one 12-hour cartridge. You can go online and pick up a 36-hour refill cartridge, which will last a lot longer. Another nice feature on this unit is there's no smell to it. You can't smell anything. All you can do is see every once in a while a little light vapor coming out of it. The top stays really cool. If you do place your finger over the direct hole on the top, you can feel a little bit of heat coming out, which is normal. And the fact that it's rechargeable instead of using the butanes is a plus as well. One last thing to mention, to turn off the unit, you just press in, hold this button until you hear the beeps. And now your unit's off, and now you can go place it back into storage. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.